Hey guys, today I will be showing you most common issue that you face in Androids. I have Infinix Smart 3 Plus, in which अच्छा. So, here you can see we have this problem, storage space running out. So what we are gonna do, we're gonna click at this notification. You see internal shared storage. So what you're gonna do is go to other apps and wait a bit. You will see the most storage consuming apps here in the list. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna clear cache of each app. So you see that you in the notification display mean you got ample storage for your internal memory. You can repeat this process again and again to get maximum of your storage. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more updates.